Y-F04 Stroller Fan Strong Wind Portable Mini Desktop Clip Fan. Rechargeable Handheld 6400mAh. 720-degree rotation. The fan body rotates 720 degrees according to the design vertically and horizontally to adjust the wind direction. Long-lasting battery capacity. 6,400 mAh battery, about 32 hours level 1, about 14 to 5 hours level 2, about 8.5 hours level. Anti-noise mini desktop fan operates smoothly, minimizing noise and not affecting work. 32 hours max working time. Adjustable 360 degrees vertically and horizontally. 4 level wind speeds. Features for levels of wind speed and strong wind power for a cool summer.